Hi, this is John with One Lens 2, and today we're going to open this mystery box of super zoom videos and pictures taken with the Nikon COOLPIX P1000. What all is in this super zoom mystery box? I don't know. It's a mystery. Our first video out of this mystery box is a Boeing 747 cargo jet flying over Phoenix, Arizona. According to my favorite flight tracking application, this 747 is flying at about 500 miles per hour or 890 kilometers per hour. And here's a picture of that 747 taken at a focal length of 2400 millimeters. The P1000's pictures are larger than the resolution of this full HD video, so I had to scale it down so it would fit on the screen. If I show the picture at its full size, it expands off the screen, and we can get an even closer look at the plane. Our next stop is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios Hollywood. Here's a light fixture that you can just reach out and touch. Except you can't touch it because it's halfway up the side of Hogwarts Castle. Okay, we're about to be the only people in the park who can see what's way up there on the top of the tallest castle spire. Oh, look at that. There are windows on the spire. That would be a very cool place to live. Well, unless it's a dungeon. That would be bad. And there's the thing on top of the spire. Okay, I'll bet that no visitor to Universal Studios Hollywood has ever seen this view of whatever that thing is, because you need a magnification of 125 times to see it. Ever since I bought my first Nikon P1000, things that are far away are always catching my eye. Most of the people at the park weren't even aware that this helicopter was up there, but like I said, when I have my P1000, far away things tend to catch my eye. Squirrel! Now, let's head over to Knott's Berry Farm Theme Park in Buena Park, California, and zoom in on the Supreme Scream Drop Tower. The tower is 312 feet, or 95 meters tall, so sometimes it seems like a good idea to ride before you get on it. So let's run the focal length numbers with some pictures and zoom in on the Knott's sign at the top of the tower. Wow, I'm guessing that those lines can't be more than 1/4 of an inch or 7 millimeters wide, and we can see them from the ground. Plus, we can zoom in digitally and get even closer. And here's the comparison with the 24 millimeter focal length picture. Okay, that's amazing. These hikers are on top of Camelback Mountain in Phoenix, which is over 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers away from our photo shoot location. Sometimes I forget that the Nikon COOLPIX P1000 is also a pretty good regular camera, so you can take all kinds of pictures with it. Our next stop is Seal Beach, California, where there are lots of surfers, but no seals. Here's a small boat with some huge boats in the background. I have a whole video dedicated to zooming in on those huge boats. By the way, it was cloudy and dark the day I was at Seal Beach, which are really bad conditions for super zooming, so these are not the best videos and pictures. Here's the perfect picture of a cruise ship, except that you can hardly see it. For the record, it's here. This is how close we can get to the cruise ship with the Nikon P1000 Super Zoom camera. Here's a seagull enjoying a sunny day on the Cabrillo Beach jetty in Los Angeles, California. That's Warner Brothers Studio out there in Burbank, California. Okay, freeze frame. Can you see the Warner Brothers logo sign in the side of one of those buildings? It's right here. And now we just press the Make It Bigger lever on the P1000 to get a better view. And there's the Warner Brothers sign. Have you ever had to sit so far away at an event that you couldn't see what was happening on the stage? Well, with a super zoom camera, you'll have the best view no matter where you sit.
Trying to kill the net. And all of a sudden I thought, why do I want to kill the net? That net deserves its life.
Now, we're in Goodyear, Arizona for the Arizona Balloon Festival. Let's watch them go up, up, and away. Oh, I guess they already went up, up, and away. Here's a plane flying over Phoenix, Arizona. It's right here. Can you tell what kind of plane it is? I can't. So let's put this wide-angle view of the plane over here and see how much closer we can get. Wait for it. Oh, it's a Boeing 747 jumbo jet. Look how close we are compared to where we started. Meanwhile, back in Los Angeles, the traffic is driving everyone crazy. Except for this one person who's driving along without a care in the world. Well, there you have it. There are all kinds of things out there waiting for you and your super zoom camera.